The story often begins with a random event. But what if the first domino didn't fall, but was pushed? In the silence before time, a knowing will contemplated the emptiness, gathering all potential into a single point. This divine architect, seeing the end from the beginning, reached out to pluck the seed of all creation, and with a voice that was both thought and sound, gave it a name, a prophecy, and a command. A play on words for a future that would one day ponder its own origin. The first mover's voice, deep and resonant. Be Adam, be many. And with that, the universe was born. From silence and the deep unknown, a whisper starts. A seed is sown. A canvas vast where darkness lies, a story waiting for our eyes. We are the dust, the spark, the thought, in this great drama finely wrought. To see the start, the grand design, is to know luck is truly mine. Before the expanse, before time's first beat, there was only the will, the potent singular point of infinite density. All that is and all that would ever be, held in a silent, perfect potential. The universe, a divine thought, preparing its grand explosion.
Before light, before form, there was only me, endless and silent. Remember this stillness.
In an instant beyond comprehension, the singularity unfolded. Not an explosion in space, but the expansion of space itself. This was the Big Bang, a furnace of creation, unimaginably hot and dense. Time and distance began their existence. For the first terrifying moments, the universe was an opaque, energetic soup, a churning quantum foam of pure energy. Elementary particles flickered into and out of existence, unable to coalesce. This rapid, geometric expansion, known as inflation, laid the smooth, vast foundation for everything that would follow. The creative impulse set into motion was now unstoppable.
Before all things, there was only stillness, and the quiet promise that something could be.
But from that eternal silence, a command was issued, and the very first light, pure and divine, tore through the darkness, a brilliant dawn in the timeless expanse. The light had come, separating the day from the night. For hundreds of thousands of years, the universe cooled. A critical threshold was crossed. The fiery plasma gave way, and for the first time, light was set free. Electrons and nuclei bound together, forming the first stable atoms of hydrogen and helium in a silent, cosmic event known as recombination. The universe, once an opaque inferno, became transparent. The afterglow of creation, now stretched and cooled, persists today as the cosmic microwave background, an echo of the first light. imprinted on the very fabric of space-time. The long, silent, dark ages had begun. But gravity was already at work, patiently gathering the seeds of stars. The universe was now transparent, but it was also dark. For hundreds of millions of years, no stars shone. This was the cosmic Dark Ages. But it was not an age of inactivity. An unseen architect was at work. An invisible substance, dark matter, which had been present since the beginning, formed a vast, intricate web spanning the cosmos. It was gravity's secret weapon. Patiently, relentlessly, its gravitational pull gathered the primordial hydrogen and helium, drawing them into the intersections of this cosmic scaffolding, sowing the seeds of the very first galaxies and stars. At last, the dark was broken.
Episode 1 of 4. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Subscribe on YT for full version the day of episode 3. Egg Jaleo Sham.